you tired of wondering whether your emails are private? Concerned that companies are reading your messages or that governments have access to your data? Well, it's time to take control of your digital privacy, and Protonmail is the answer. Whether you're switching from a regular email provider or just getting started with secure email, this guide will walk you through the entire process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be using Protonmail like a pro, securely and confidently. Let's dive in. 1. Creating your Protonmail account. The first thing you'll need to do is create your Protonmail account. Don't worry, it's a simple process. Just head to the Protonmail website and click on Sign Up. You'll be presented with a few different plans. There's a free option with basic features and paid options that offer more storage and advanced features. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll pick your Protonmail username. Make sure it's something unique and strong. This is your digital identity. Then, you'll create a strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols to make it as secure as possible. Protonmail also asks for a recovery email or phone number in case you forget your password, so don't skip this step. A quick tip: avoid weak passwords and make sure to follow all verification steps. This keeps your account secure from the get-go. After all that's done, you'll be ready to start using Protonmail. 2. Understanding key management. So, what makes Protonmail so secure? It's all about the encryption keys. When you sign up, Protonmail automatically generates these keys for you. They encrypt and decrypt your emails, ensuring that only you and your intended recipient can read your messages. Here's the deal: Protonmail uses 2 passwords. Your login password protects your account, while your mailbox password encrypts your mailbox data. It's critical to remember both of these. If you lose your mailbox password and don't have recovery options set up, your emails could be lost forever. But don't worry, Protonmail has you covered with a key backup phrase and recovery options. Remember, these keys protect your privacy, keep them secure, and only you can access your emails. 3. Setting up Protonmail Bridge for desktop use. Now, if you prefer using a desktop client like Outlook, Thunderbird, or Apple Mail, Protonmail Bridge is a game changer. This feature is available for Protonmail's paid plans, and it allows you to keep your encryption intact while using a desktop email client. To get started, download Protonmail Bridge from the official website. Once installed, you'll enter your Protonmail username and password. The Bridge app acts like a local server that connects to your email client, encrypting and decrypting your emails on your computer. Follow the setup instructions carefully, and soon you'll be using your desktop email client while still benefiting from Protonmail's encryption. Quick tip: if you run into any issues, ensure the Bridge app is running and double-check your email client settings. Restart both if needed. 4. Essential security settings to configure. We're almost there, but before you go, make sure to configure some essential security settings. These extra layers of protection will help you secure your Protonmail account even further. Start by enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a must for added security. Even if someone somehow gets your password, they won't be able to log in without your second factor. You can use an authenticator app or security key for this. Next, set up auto-logout timers. This is crucial if you're using public computers or sharing devices. And don't forget to review your active sessions. Log out of any devices you don't recognize. You can even use custom domains and email aliases for an extra layer of privacy if you want. 5. Mobile app setup and best practices. Protonmail's mobile app is perfect for staying secure on the go. Download it from the App Store, but make sure it's the official one. Once installed, sign in with your username and password, and you're all set to go mobile with your secure email. For extra security on your phone, set up a PIN lock or biometric authentication like a fingerprint or Face ID. This way, even if someone has your phone, they can't access your Protonmail inbox. And remember, always lock your phone when not in use, especially in public places. 6. Final tips for secure use. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, there are some daily habits you should adopt to keep your Protonmail secure. Be cautious on public Wi-Fi. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts when connected to unsecured networks. Manage your contacts carefully and organize your emails into labels and folders to stay on top of things. Log out of your account when using shared or public compute. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at tleras.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Tleras works in real time, request for a demo to see how Tleras AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. And that's it. You're now fully equipped to use Protonmail securely. From setting up your account and managing encryption keys to configuring security settings and using the mobile app, you've learned all the steps to protect your privacy. Remember, digital privacy is important, and Protonmail gives you the tools to take control of your email security. Now, you can send and receive emails knowing your data is safe and encrypted. Start using Protonmail today and take your first step towards a more private online life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.